Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a response to can you grow beets hydroponically? And from my experience, you can continue growing the beautiful leaf foliage from them, but as for the root itself, this beet, I believe I moved to this system sometime in July or August, and it is now January 6th. And although the root has grown a little bit, I would say this method is definitely not suitable for beets. I think they tend to like a well-drained sandy soil. And here in Iowa, I just wanted to run an experiment and see. So some of these leaves, have faded, and I'll just pick those off. But overall, I would only recommend doing beets for the foliage themselves, which is also very nutritious. I've got some other plants here along with the beet, the basil, and I also brought in this beefsteak tomato just to experiment with. I'm actually getting a few tomatoes off of it very slowly. I brought this in before the frost, and that was probably in October, I believe. So it's been in here at least a couple months. We harvested about 3 tomatoes off of it, and now we've got another 3 tomatoes coming. I just try to keep it trimmed as it grows up under this counter, and I'll just try to keep maintaining it. And then this spring, after the frosts are done, I'm going to take some of these shoots, and instead of starting from seed, I'm going to have a nice branch to start with, because tomatoes will root as deep as you want to bury them from the stem. They're gonna grow roots. So this is just a small arrow garden kit that circulates the water quite frequently, and I add nutrients as it reminds me. Thanks for watching.